We just saw a helicopter flying around up here, and I'm guessing it's for the Yellowstone Live. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna do our own version. We're here for 4 days. We're gonna do 4 episodes in 4 straight days, and we're gonna call it Yellowstone Live-ish. Just finished getting set up at Henry's Lake State Park outside of Yellowstone. We're just to the west, and we're still in Idaho. And this is an absolutely beautiful park. There's a huge lake over here, Henry's Lake. There's tons and tons and tons of boat trailer parking over here, which makes me think that this is a very busy lake. And we're kind of down in this valley just outside West Yellowstone. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And it's, I don't think it was too expensive. I don't remember how much it was per night. I think it's around 20 bucks a night. We don't have sewer, but we have water and electric, and we are right next to the comfort station over here, which was just refurbished, so it's spotless in there. So far, very happy. I think we're, let's see, what time is it? We're about 1:45 here, so I think we're going to kind of hang out here, have some food, and then we're gonna go head into Yellowstone in the evening. I think we might go and try and check out Old Faithful in that area this evening, so we'll maybe get some golden hour footage of the most popular geyser in the world. So let's check it out. We've been looking forward to Yellowstone for a long time, and we're finally here. Don't hit the truck.
It feels like it's slow.
Hey. Is it cold? Oh!
Daddy!
Oh!
I didn't have it on. Yes!
It's so cold! It's so cold! Just drove into Yellowstone.
Yay! We have our map! Yeah, look at this!
It's our first. It's funny. We were staying at a state park in Idaho. We had to drive through Montana to get to Yellowstone in Wyoming. So we're just packing in the States today.
Woohoo!
It's our first time in both of those new states, and Yellowstone's like top 3.
I think it's top 1 for me.
It's probably number 1. Yeah.
But I think it is for a lot of people.
Yeah.
Getting to go to the OG National Park. So we have 4 days that we're going to be here, 4 nights that we're staying nearby. We thought we would.
Henry, Wyoming. Now we're in Wyoming.
Now we're Wyoming. we got set up. It's about 4:15 in the evening. We're going to head in just because we didn't want to pass up any chance that we had to be in the park. So we're going to go check out Old Faithful.
So we're hoping, coming in the evening, we'll probably be in here for about 4 hours. We're hoping, it's kind of cloudy right now, probably because some of the fires nearby, and then there's a thunderstorm rolling around over there in Idaho. And but we're hoping that maybe some of the animals will come out in the evening, for their dinner time, and then before they disappear for bed. Maybe we'll see some. Who knows? We'll hope. But the rest of the days will probably be coming in the morning,
right,
and then having to head back out, be back home by dinner time. Mm-hmm. So this will be a nice kind of preview, kind of like we did with Grand Canyon, by driving through on the way in. So it's our first animal sighting, and it's elk, which is cool.
Oh yeah, big horned one.
But we were at elk country in Northern California, and we were surrounded by elk, so we're gonna keep moving on and not get stuck in traffic. About 100 yards, and there's a bunch more cars. Let's see what it is this time.
Hopefully it's bison. Please.
What do we got?
Daddy.
I'm guessing elk again.
I'm guessing bison.
Boy, people are just walking all over this road.
Okay.
Something over there.
I am the elk out there.
Like a herd of elk. geysers are really stinky.
Yes. And we weren't even that close to them.
No.
Oh my goodness.
We actually were minutes.
Some of them, yeah, some of them do come right up to the road.
There's something very large on the road up here. Nope, those are bicyclists.
Oh, we were excited.
I was wondering why the cars weren't stopping. Okay.
It wasn't as exciting.
No, not very exciting. But from far away, through the rain, they were all wearing all black, which is kind of weird. Because normally they're nice and brightly colored so you can see them, but I totally thought it was like bison walking up the side of the road. Oh well, maybe next time. Time for Old Faithful. Hopefully, there's a big crowd, which means it has not recently erupted, so hopefully we don't have to wait too long.
Whoa.
Well, we got there just in time. We parked and walked out, and you can still see it going in the background here. It went off maybe 3 minutes after we got here, so that was awesome timing. Today's August 5th, and while we're here, National Geographic is doing what they're calling Yellowstone Live, where they have a whole bunch of cameras and film crews all over Yellowstone. And it's like a 4-night event. We don't know exactly what they're filming, but they're filming right here. They have these cell towers set up, and they have a bunch of equipment down here.
Spent about an hour here at Old Faithful, just about, and we're gonna head into the truck, have some lunch or dinner actually, and finish our drive. We might stop again, but
okay, we are back in the car. We are gonna have a bite to eat while we drive, and I think next stop, I don't know if we're gonna get out again on this drive, but we are headed to West Thumb, which is the western edge of Yellowstone Lake. So we're going to get to see Yellowstone Lake, then we're going to head up towards Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone, and then head back out towards the west entrance.
there we go.
So keep our eyes peeled for large animals that are not humans on bikes. We made it down to West Thumb, and the kids are being a little bit of a pain, so it's late, you know, so we're not going to walk down to the lake or down to the geyser basin or any of that. However, in the parking lot, there's this. So that's pretty crazy.
Yeah, and it literally is right in the parking lot. Show them where we are. I mean, we're parked.
We're parked right there.
Right there.
Yeah, this is this entire place is really bizarre.
It's very
like
otherworldly.
All the geothermal stuff everywhere, like everywhere you drive around, there's just steam blowing up all over the place. This is crazy. This is very cool. Yellowstone's neat. Yeah, I mean, I'm so glad we drove in because it's like the sun is just, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's just this golden light on everything.
It's only 6:40. We decided to go around 3:30 and got in here around 4:15. And I mean, there's still plenty of light in the summertime.
Yeah.
So
It'll be
even if
light
you
till
get into
9
your
o'clock.
campground later in the day,
Go do stuff.
totally come and do stuff.
Yeah. This is neat. Let's look at this mud again. This is crazy.
Sarah, come here. Those are seriously huge. Look at that.
Is it a real one?
Yeah. That's what Daddy was saying. Like, it went to walk up here when it was drying, and it went up and then quickly got off. That's so neat. Truck's a little dirty.
Time for a quick potty break. We're somewhere past West Thumb. I'm not sure where, but right here by this little bathroom, it looks like there's some rapids down here on this little river. So we're gonna walk down real quick and check them out. What's that?
What is it?
What is it?
What happened to it?
No idea. So that was totally a dead bison in the water. Looked like it'd been there for quite a while. Going back up the steps. Whew, a lot of steps. But that was pretty neat. There was no meat left, no fur. All the skin had turned to leather. Bones were just bleached from being in the water for so long. Pretty neat. It's kind of humbling to see nature so kind of raw like that. So used to seeing them alive.
We're at Dragon's Mouth Spring, and you can hear it bubbling down here. There's like waves that come out. I do hear it. I really like being here in the evening. Oh, it's stinky. Wow!
Wow!
Look at all the mud. Oh yeah, it's really, really hot underneath. It's making it bubble up. Ben, what is that?
There's yeah.
This is the inaugural here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that Yag?
Dad, it's going to the cars. Dad,
Dude, what is this guy doing?
what is it?
I don't know.
Dad.
Move away from the bison. Move away from you're gonna get like video of him being bored driving.
All right.
Oh, he's like taking a selfie of
Tara, if
himself.
he comes up this trail, we are gonna run around that way, okay?
Or I can just He's gonna get you, he's gonna get you, he's gonna get you. Oh my god. Mommy, when that guy was taking the selfies, I was like, do you care about your selfies or your life?
That's right. You always want to be.
He's just smiling.
Oh,
Close your van door.
Close your doors. It's so scary. Just come over the hill behind you.
Like, I'm scared, but I'm excited. Because I've never seen a bison before. Like, it's like, I'm just going. Move, people, move, people.
It looks like he has pants on, too.
Yeah.
What are those girls doing?
The road and he's going to hit somebody.
Okay, y'all need to move.
Us?
Children,
Go back in the bathroom.
small people that are over there, you need
Go
to
back.
move.
Go back. She's
No.
back. Go back to your mama. No, don't. Go back to your mama. Oh my God. Don't.
Where are you going? That's where he's going.
Let's go behind the trash can.
Oh my God.
That buffalo was, or that bison was very close to a lot of people, and they were just standing there letting it walk by. This is an enormous animal that can kill you. You need to be a little bit more safety aware.
So that's the dragon's mouth. You can see the steam coming out of it. I think that's our favorite thing so far. That is really, really cool.
Yeah.
And the people just like watching a bison walk by within 10 feet. No, you guys need to move out of the way. That's driving through the Hayden Valley right now. This is the most beautiful stretch of land I have ever seen.
Absolutely fantastic. So
And
pretty.
we caught it, right at sunset, so the clouds are just purple and the sun is golden. It's just amazing. Our last stop for the day is the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. So it's the Yellowstone River. It comes down out of the Hayden Valley and then goes down the upper falls and lower falls into the Grand Canyon and runs out kind of the north side of the park. So we're gonna walk down here and see what it looks like.
A lot of steps to get here, but we're at Artist Point. You can see the waterfalls right there. So pretty.
Well, I know that's a lot smaller, but that sure gives the Grand Canyon a run for its money. And you can definitely see why this place is called Yellowstone. Its colors in those rocks are incredible. All right, we're gonna go ahead and close it out because we're running out of daylight. So this is day one. We're gonna do 4 days of Yellowstone live-ish.
Yes.
So stick around and watch the next 3 episodes as we come back into the park and explore other areas.
So exciting. We're in Yellowstone.
Make sure to
subscribe, like this video, share with your friends. Visit us at 5togo.com.
and comment.
Please.
Let us know what you think. Bye.